In this lecture, we will discuss about the ARMA model and how to find stationarity and invertibility of this ARMA model. So, ARMA model is nothing but a mixed autoregressive moving average model or process containing P AR terms and Q MA terms, that is called as ARMA process of order P, Q. Right? So, ARMA stands for autoregressive moving average model. So, let us see now. ARMA model is given by xt is equal to alpha 1 xt minus 1 plus alpha 2 xt minus 2 plus dot alpha p xt minus p plus zt plus beta 1 zt minus 1 plus beta 2 zt minus 2 plus dot plus beta q zt minus q. So p AR terms and q MA terms are there. Now changing the side of all xt terms, so this can be written as xt minus alpha 1 xt minus 1 minus alpha 2 xt minus 2 dot minus alpha p xt minus p, which is equal to zt plus beta 1 zt minus 1 plus beta 2 zt minus 2 plus dot beta q zt minus q. To simplify this, we are going to use backshift notation. So in earlier video I have given in detail about this backshift notation. So xt minus alpha 1 xt minus 1 in backshift notation can be written as bxt minus alpha 2 b square xt minus dot minus alpha p b to the power p xt, which is equal to zt plus, so here also using backshift notation, zt minus 1 can be written as bzt plus beta 2 b square zt plus dot beta q b to the power q zt. Right? So xt is the common operator here in the left hand side and zt is the common operator at the right hand side. So rewriting this, 1 minus alpha 1 b minus alpha 2 b square minus dot alpha p b to the power p xt is equal to 1 plus beta 1 b plus beta 2 b square plus beta q b to the power q zt. Right? So this we will denote it as theta. This we will denote it as phi of b operated on xt, which is equal to theta of b operated on zt. So 1 minus alpha 1 b alpha 2 b square dot alpha p b raised to p as function of b. So we have written is phi of b. Then 1 plus beta 1 b plus beta 2 b square plus dot beta q b raised to q is function of b again. So this we have denoted as theta of b operated on zt. So that is theta b is equal to 1 plus beta 1 b plus beta 2 b square plus dot beta q b to the power q, and phi of b, which is left hand side, is 1 minus alpha 1 b minus alpha 2 b square minus dot minus alpha p b to the power p. So these are the two polynomials after simplifying ARMA model. So solving these polynomial, we can check whether the given ARMA model is stationary or not, or invertible or not. The stationarity condition is, if we have to find the roots of this phi of b is equal to 0. If the roots of this phi of b is equal to 0 lies outside the unit circle, then we can say that given ARMA model is stationary. Similarly, condition of invertibility is, we have to solve the equation theta b is equal to 0. if roots of this theta b is equal to 0 lies outside the unit circle, then we can say that this ARMA model is invertible. So in using these two, we can check whether the given model is stationary or not, or invertible or not. So we have the notations. ARMA P0 model can be also denoted as ARP model, because only P AR terms are there, there is no MA term. Similarly, ARMA 0Q model is denoted as MAQ model, because there is no AR term but Q MA terms are there. So using this concept of stationarity and invertibility, now we will solve the example. So now consider this example. Xt is equal to 0.5 xt minus 1 plus zt minus 0.3 zt minus 1 plus 1.2 zt minus 2. Here the xt term is up to xt minus 1, so one AR term is there, and here we have zt minus 2 term, so two MA terms are there. So this model is ARMA 1, 2 model. ARMA 1, 2 model. To check the stationarity condition, now solving this, xt minus, taking this term to left hand side, so xt minus 0.5 xt, which is equal to zt minus 0.3 zt minus 1 plus 1.2 zt minus 2, right? So by using back shift notation, we can write it as 0.5 b xt, which is equal to zt minus 0.3 b zt plus 1.2 b square zt. So zt minus 2, we can write it as b square zt, right? So simplifying this, so this becomes 1 minus 0.5 b xt, which is equal to 1 minus 0.3 b plus 1.2 b square zt. So as we discussed earlier, this is nothing but phi of b xt is equal to theta of b zt. So now using this, we have to check whether the given model is stationary or invertible, or both, right? So consider, to check stationarity, first we will consider the polynomial phi of b and equating it to 0. Let us take phi of b is equal to 0. Solving this equation, phi of b is nothing but 1 minus 0.5 b equal to 0. So here b is equal to 1 upon 0.5, which is equal to 2 greater than 1. So we can convert this, b is equal to 2 greater than 1. So some of the books use replace this as z, so instead of b. So as per the definition of stationarity, if the roots of phi of b are greater than 1, then that process is called as stationary process. So here this process is stationary. Now to check invertibility, we have to consider the equation theta b is equal to 0. That is, theta b is 1 minus 0.3 b plus 1.2 b square is equal to 0. Solving this quadratic equation, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. We have minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4 a c. A is 1.2, c is 1, 2 into a 1.2. So this value gives 0.125 plus or minus 0.904 I. So as it is a complex root, then by taking modulus of this b, we have to check whether that value is greater than 1 or modulus is real part square plus imaginary part square modulus of a complex number which gives us 0.913. So 0.913 is less than 1. Therefore, as per the definition of invertibility, this process is not invertible. This process is not invertible. Now we'll consider next example. Determine whether the model is invertible or not. So to check invertibility, we will consider only ZT terms, right? So here, rewriting this, xt minus 0.75 xt minus 1 plus 0.5625 xt minus 2, which is equal to zt minus 1.3 zt minus 1 plus 0.4 zt minus 2. So here xt minus 0.75 xt minus 1 can be written as bxt plus 0.5625 b square xt is equal to zt minus 1.3 bzt plus zt minus 1 can be written as bzt, then plus 0.4 zt minus 2 can be written as b square zt. So to check stationarity, here this side, left hand side polynomial, we have to equate it to 0, and if roots are greater than 1, the model, this given model is stationary. So this given model is nothing but it is ARMA. Here xt minus 2 terms are there, so 2 AR terms are there and 2 MA terms are there. So this model is ARMA 2, 2 model, right? So this side can be written as 1 minus 0.75b plus 0.5625 b square xt is equal to 1 minus 1.3b plus 0.4 b square zt, right? So it is nothing but phi of b xt is equal to theta of b zt. So if the question is to check stationarity, phi of b we have to equate it to 0, and finding the roots of phi of b. If roots are greater than 0, the given model is stationary. So here the question is to check invertibility. I will equate theta b, equating theta b to 0. Consider theta b is equal to 0. That is 1 minus 1.3b plus 0.4 b square is equal to 0. So solving this equation by using quadratic equation formula, here we will get b as 2, 1.25. So quadratic equation, 2 roots are there, right? Both the roots are exceeding 1. Both the roots are greater than 1. Therefore, this process is invertible. So in this way, we can check stationarity and invertibility of an given ARMA model.